Hi, welcome back to Too Many Mods Garage. This week we got something a little bit different. Not really for the car, but it's kind of for the channel. We're going to go in my garage. It's from SVN Designs. It's a big LED sign that'll go on the wall. I'm going to unbox it and show you what it looks like. Got a couple more screws left to take out. I ordered this before Mustang week, and I got here last week. I just hadn't had time to unbox it. I'm always at work. Get this out of here. This is the standoffs you screw into the wall that the board mounts to. Here it is right here. Guess some of y'all probably already know what it is. If I ever move, I'll probably get two more, one for El Diablo and one for Too Many Mods Garage. Put them in the garage, but this garage is running out of real estate. Don't really have much wall space. So I'll put the cabinets behind me over there. It takes up pretty much the whole wall over there, so I lost a lot of room to put stuff. Get this off without breaking it. They wrapped it pretty good. Alright, you guys ready to see this? There it is. It's going to go on the wall, probably somewhere on this side. I'll have to move something around, but all this lights up. Let's see if I can go ahead and plug it in. So you guys can see it firsthand. Get this plugged in real quick. Oh wow, that thing's bright. Get this hung on the wall probably sometime this weekend. I'm going to take the foam down to show you. Looks pretty badass. I like it. It wasn't cheap. I could have got one for like $300, but it would only been like half that size. And I wanted a big one, so I had to pay a little bit more. I think it was like $8.50 or so. Looks pretty nice. So got a lot of detail. I don't know if you can see the supercharger detail on it. Came out real nice. The shading on the Smurf looks awesome. I think it's a sticker on black Lexan. I think it's what it is. All I had to do is send them the image file, and they were able to replicate it onto this board. Well, got some free time tonight, so I went ahead and hung the sign on the wall. Looks pretty good. Back up so you can see. It's kind of like what the back wall looks like over here. Really need to clean it up, but so I'm trying to sell some of these car parts online, the ones I'm not using anymore, so I can get more of this stuff on the floor up there where it's supposed to be. But that's what it looks like hung up. I just got to get something to cover them wires. The wires coming down from the sun. There's like a little cover you can buy at Lowe's. I need to go buy that. Looks pretty good though. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video now. Thanks again for coming to check out my new sign I'm adding. Be sure to stay tuned for what's coming next in the next 2 videos, as I'll be bringing my car back to the dyno to see how much power I will be picking up with the next 2 changes I've added to the Whippled Smurf. These 2 changes should hopefully be enough to get me into the high 8s, I'm hoping. There's an 80% chance of rain this weekend, so bringing it back to the track will probably be delayed till the following weekend. That's all I got for now. See you next week. Take care. Bye.